In today's Pizza Basics episode, we are talking about how to use a turning peel. Now you can see the turning peel is smaller than the standard peel and has a very specific function. It, as its name suggests, is used for turning the pizza. It is a peel for turning. So let's say, all right, this is a pre-baked pizza, but let's say this in your oven. And back here is our heat source, the burner, the fire, whatever that might be. You go in with your peel under one side, lift it, and pull back towards yourself. The part of the pizza that's still on the stones is trying to hold on. This is kind of like a basketball move of pivoting, right? You pivot the pizza on the part that is still on the stones. Very easy to rotate. This just kind of gives you an idea overhead what it looks like. We're going to switch that view right now so you can see from the side, looking into your oven, what it might look like. And this is actually a really good way for you to practice as well. Pre-bake a pizza and then have everybody practice this way on how to use a turning peel. So you can see I'm going in under one side, lifting and pulling back towards myself. And that allows the part of the pizza that's still on the table to hold or anchor itself. And then you just pivot around that point. Very simple, very easy to turn, something that is well worth adding to your repertoire. Now here I have the oven. It is nice and hot. We have a pizza that's in there. You wait for the crust to start to bubble up because you know it is solidified at that point. And as we turn this in that same motion, you'll see that the part that is closest to the heat source, or the burner in this case, has browned. You do this until you have even browning everywhere, including with bread like the schiacciata. Hopefully this helps. In today's Pizza Basics episode,